Hi, this is Roland, and I'm playing around with Comment Tracker and doing a few different things. So I've got an interesting experiment going on, to say the least. Um, right now, the screen is sharing with you the Comment Tracker that is built into Hangouts in general, and so I was displaying that. And let me see if I can even take it off of there. So I removed that. So now you can see my face as I'm testing this concept. And I'm going to go back to the original comment tracker, which is loaded now. And it's loaded up with the icon in the sidebar pop up with the side menu of the list of uh, apps for Hangouts. And it's there, but it's yellow instead of green. And if I were able to, suppose I can actually share my screen with you. And excuse the echo mirror effect. But the Hangout window is now, the Hangout app is now green instead of yellow. But it does seem to work well if I were to share these things going on. Let's see if it works. Well, it's a confusing thing in this state. But anyway, let me go ahead and exit the screen. If I post these comments as is, as you see, Gary Whalen happened to be in the comment stream, and is actually posting a few things and helping me test the Hangout um, compatibility with the new app for comment tracker, and it seems to be working absolutely fine. So I actually was able to do this. I had to go to comment tracker and figure out how to get it to load back into the Hangout since the green comment tracker was no longer functioning properly. So I figured this out for now. The other aspect of what was going on with my test was I went to the Hangout toolbox and I checked the comment tracker within the functionality that's built in. And I actually tried using that. And when I did so, I got the shared post comment to display within the Hangout window. And it looks really a lot better than the typical comment tracker. It's very pretty. It even matches the colors of my Hangouts, so I kind of like it. However, I could not get the comments from the actual event page to display, and I cannot figure out how to connect the post or the URL so that it will display posts from that page. If I could figure that out, I would probably switch to this internal comment tracker. But so if anybody has any clues for me or information about the internal comment tracker versus the external add-on app, please let me know. And maybe I can expand my own knowledge on this and be able to tell how to work both of them. This is nice, but I like the internal comment tracker is much prettier, and it looks like a nice polished application that we can use from within the Hangouts. If I could just figure out any notes, find some notes or some direction on how to use it. So that's the end of my broadcast, and thank you, Gary Whalen, for being out in the audience to help me test that. So we'll see what happens. Let's see. Still fiddling around here with the comment tracker features. So we've been testing some of the linkage and the URL stuff. And for the internal new comment tracker, it's on a beta test right now, and it seems to work fine. So if it does, we're back to normal with the standard comment tracker, and it's supposed to have some improvements. So we are now using the comment tracker beta, and we'll see if it works better than the original version. If it doesn't have any glitches and doesn't allow the comment gremlins to take over and give us some foul play, it very well might be the solution. So thank you very much, and whoever is watching or participating, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.